From c++.com/doc/tutorial/. Part 01. Open parenthesis. If you haven't already seen or heard our introductory double quote, learning the C++ computer programming language, learn by listening, exercise double quote, segment, comma, you should do so before proceeding here, comma, as it will help you understand the context and unusual format of this presentation. This is just the second chapter from a large set of related information, comma, and where the double quote, introduction, comma, also known as the first chapter, comma, double quote, comprises double quote, part 00, double quote, close parenthesis. Structure of a program. The best way to learn a programming language is by writing programs. Typically, the first program beginners write is a program called double quote, hello world double quote, comma, which simply prints double quote, hello world double quote, to your computer screen. Although it is very simple, it contains all the fundamental components C++ programs have. Here is an example implemented in 7 lines of C++ source code : Line 01 of 07 / my first program in C++. Line 02 of 07 #, include open angle bracket, IOStream, close angle bracket. Line 03 of 07. Line 04 of 07 int main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Line 05 of 07 open curly brace. Line 06 of 07 std double colon, cout, double left arrow, double quote, hello world, double quote, semicolon. Line 07 of 07 close curly brace. When this program runs, the following output is displayed. Hello world. Let's examine this program line by line : Line 1 : / my first program in C++. The slash signs indicate that the rest of the line is a comment inserted by the programmer but which has no effect on the behavior of the program. Programmers use comments like these to include short explanations or observations concerning the code or program. In this case, it is a brief introductory description of the program. Line 2 : #, include open angle bracket, IOStream, close angle bracket. Lines beginning with a sign, open parenthesis, #, close parenthesis, are directives read and interpreted by what is known as the preprocessor. They are special lines interpreted before the compilation of the program itself begins. In this case, the directive #, include open angle bracket, IOStream, close angle bracket, instructs the preprocessor to include a section of standard C++ code, known as header IOStream, that allows it to perform standard input and output operations, such as writing the output of this program, open parenthesis, hello world, close parenthesis, to the screen. Line 3: a blank line. Blank lines have no effect on a program. When inserted carefully by a thoughtful program designer, comma, they simply improve readability of the code. Line 4: int main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. This line initiates the declaration of a function. Essentially, a function is a group of code statements which are given a main : in this case, this gives the name main double quote, to the group of code statements that follow. Functions will be discussed in detail in a later chapter, but essentially, their definition is introduced with a succession of a type, open parenthesis, int, close parenthesis, comma, a main, open parenthesis, main, close parenthesis, and a pair of parentheses, comma, optionally including parameters. The function named main double quote, is a special function in all C++ programs, semicolon. It is the function called when the program is run. The execution of all C++ programs begins with the main function, regardless of where the function is actually located within the code. Lines 5 and 7: open curly brace, and close curly brace. The open curly brace at line 5 indicates the beginning of main's function definition, and the closing curly brace at line 7 indicates its end. Everything between these braces is the function's body that defines what happens when main is called. All functions use braces to indicate the beginning and end of their definitions. Line 6: std double colon, cout, double left arrow, double quote, hello world, double quote, semicolon. This line is a C++ statement. A statement is an expression that can actually produce some effect. It is the meat of a program, specifying its actual behavior. Statements are executed in the same order in which they appear within a function's body. This statement has three parts: first, STD, cout, which identifies the standard character output device. Usually, this is the computer screen. Second, the insertion operator, open parenthesis, double left arrow, close parenthesis, comma, which indicates that what follows is inserted into STD, cout. Finally, a sentence within quotes, open parenthesis, double quote, hello world, double quote, close parenthesis, comma, is the content inserted into the standard output. Notice that the statement ends with a semicolon, open parenthesis, semicolon, close parenthesis. This character marks the end of the statement, comma, just as the period ends a sentence in English. All C++ statements must end with a semicolon character. One of the most common syntax errors in C++ is forgetting to end a statement with a semicolon. You may have noticed that not all the lines of this program perform actions when the code is executed. There is a line containing a comment, open parenthesis, beginning with // close parenthesis. There is a line with a directive for the preprocessor, open parenthesis, beginning with $, close parenthesis. There is a line that defines a function, open parenthesis, in this case, the main function, close parenthesis. And, finally, a line with a statement ending with a semicolon, open parenthesis, the insertion into cout, close parenthesis, comma, which lies within the block delimited by the braces, open parenthesis, open curly brace, close parenthesis, of the main function. The program has been structured in different lines and properly indented, in order to make it easier to understand, for the humans reading it. But C++ does not have strict rules on indentation or on how to split instructions in different lines. For example, instead of using 4 separate lines like this to define the double quote, main double quote, function colon, line 01 of 04 int main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, line 02 of 04 open curly brace, line 03 of 04 std cout, double left arrow, double quote, hello world, double quote, semicolon, line 04 of 04 close curly brace. We could have written it all in a single line like this, colon, line 01 of 01 int main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, open curly brace, std cout, double left arrow, hello world, semicolon, close curly brace. This would have had exactly the same meaning as the preceding code. In C++, the separation between statements is specified with an ending semicolon, open parenthesis, semicolon, close parenthesis, comma, with the separation into different lines not mattering at all for this purpose. Many statements can be written in a single line, or each statement can be in its own line. The division of code in different lines serves only to make it more legible and schematic for the humans that may read it, but has no effect on the actual behavior of the program. Now, let's add an additional statement to our first program, comma, expanding it to 8 lines, as follows, colon. Line 01 of 08 / my second program in C++. Line 02 of 08 $, include open angle bracket, IOStream, close angle bracket. Line 03 of 08. Line 04 of 08 int main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Line 05 of 08 open curly brace. Line 06 of 08 std cout, double left arrow, double quote, hello world, double quote, semicolon. Line 07 of 08 std cout, double left arrow, double quote, I'm a C++ program, double quote, semicolon. Line 08 of 08 close curly brace. When it is executed, this larger program now generates the following output. Hello world, I'm a C++ program. In this case, the program performed 2 insertions into std cout into different statements. Once again, the separation in different lines of code simply gives greater readability to the program, since main could have been perfectly valid defined in a single line like this, colon. Int main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, open curly brace, std cout, double left arrow, double quote, hello world, double quote, semicolon, std cout, double left arrow, double quote, I'm a C++ program, double quote, semicolon, close curly brace. The source code for double quote, main double quote, could have also been divided into more code lines instead, by inserting new line characters into the middle of some of the lines, between the arguments fed into cout, like this colon. Line 01 of 07 int main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Line 02 of 07 open curly brace. Line 03 of 07 std double colon, cout, double left arrow. Line 04 of 07 double quote, hello world, double quote, semicolon. Line 05 of 07 std double colon, cout. Line 06 of 07 double left arrow, double quote, I'm a C++ program double quote, semicolon. Line 07 of 07 close curly brace. And the result would again have been exactly the same as in the previous examples. Preprocessor directives, open parenthesis, those that begin by #, close parenthesis, are exceptions to this general rule, since they are not statements. They are lines read and processed by a separate software component known as the preprocessor, before proper compilation begins. Preprocessor directives must be specified in their own line and, because they are not statements, do not have to end with a semicolon, open parenthesis, semicolon, close parenthesis. Comments. As noted above, comments do not affect the operation of the program, semicolon. However, they provide an important tool to document directly within the source code what the program does, and how it operates. C++ supports two ways of commenting code. Here are two examples colon. Example 01 of 02 / line comment. Example 02 of 02 * block comment, */. The first of them, known as double quote, line comment double quote, discards everything from where the pair of slash signs are found up to the end of that same line. The second one, known as double quote, block comment double quote, comma, discards everything between the / characters and the first appearance of the */ characters, with the possibility of including multiple lines. Let's add comments to our second program comma, expanding its listing to 10 lines colon. Line 01 of 10 **, my second program in C++. Line 02 of 10, with more comments, */. Line 03 of 10. Line 04 of 10, #, include open angle bracket, IOStream, close angle bracket. Line 05 of 10. Line 06 of 10, int main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Line 07 of 10, open curly brace. Line 08 of 10 std double colon, cout, double left arrow, double quote, hello world, double quote, semicolon, / prints hello world. Line 09 of 10 std double colon, cout, double left arrow, double quote, I'm a C++ program double quote, semicolon, / prints I'm a C++ program. Line 10 of 10, close curly brace. If comments are included within the source code of a program without using the comment character combination // or */, comma, the compiler takes them as if they were C++ expressions, most likely causing the compilation to fail with one or several error messages. Using namespace std. If you have seen C++ code before, you may have seen the abbreviated form double quote, cout, double quote, being used instead of the full form double quote, std double colon, cout, double quote. Both name the same object colon. The first one uses its double quote, unqualified double quote, name, open parenthesis, cout, close parenthesis, comma, while the second qualifies it directly within the namespace double quote, std double quote, open parenthesis, as std double colon, cout, close parenthesis. Cout is part of the standard library, and all the elements in the standard C++ library are declared within what is called a double quote, namespace double quote, colon the namespace double quote, std double quote. In order to refer to the elements in the std namespace comma, a program must either explicitly associate it with the correct library through a trick that has come to be known as double quote, qualifying double quote, each and every use of elements of the library, open parenthesis, as we have done by prefixing cout with std double colon, close parenthesis, comma, or else it can introduce what we call double quote, visibility double quote, of its components. The most typical way to introduce visibility of these components is by means of double quote, using double quote, declarations. For example, using namespace std semicolon. The above declaration, invoking the special keyword using comma, allows all elements in the std namespace to be accessed in an unqualified manner, open parenthesis, without the std prefix, close parenthesis. With this in mind, the last example can be rewritten to make unqualified uses of cout, as line 01 of 09 / my second program in C++. Line 02 of 09 #, include open angle bracket, IOStream, close angle bracket. Line 03 of 09 using namespace std semicolon. Line 04 of 09. Line 05 of 09 int main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Line 06 of 09 open curly brace. Line 07 of 09 cout, double left arrow, double quote, hello world, double quote, semicolon. Line 08 of 09 cout, double left arrow, double quote, I'm a C++ program double quote, semicolon. Line 09 of 09 close curly brace. Exactly as before, when this program is run, the following output is generated. Hello world. I'm a C++ program. Both ways of accessing the elements of the std namespace, open parenthesis, explicit qualification and using declarations, close parenthesis, are valid in C++ and produce the exact same behavior. For simplicity, and to improve readability, the examples in these tutorials will more often use this latter approach with using declarations, although note that explicit qualification is the only way to guarantee that name collisions never happen. Namespaces are explained in more detail in a later chapter.